Legislative History Materials from the Federal Government for Environmental Legal Research at Boston College Law School. The federal government provides a number of websites from which you can access federal legislative history materials for free. Congress.gov is the official website for U.S. federal legislative information presented by the Library of Congress. It's a great place to find and track current legislation, look at current bills, and link to current legislative activities. When you're doing legislative history research at Congress.gov, switch from current legislation to all legislation. And the easiest to access is by bill or public law number, but you can also search by keyword. Let's look at Public Law 11111, the 11th public law passed in the 111th Congress, which happens to be the Omnibus Public Land Management Act of 2009. We see this was bill number H.R. 146 from the 111th Congress. The tracker graphic at the bottom allows you to quickly see the latest step in the legislative process that this bill has achieved, which in this case is becoming public law. Let's click on the bill number for more information about this bill. The overview box contains much of the same information and links that were on our results page. There's also a link to the 9 roll call votes on this bill. If we scroll down a little, we can see that underneath the overview box are a number of tabs, some of which use drop-down menus to take us to various versions of the bill. The Summary tab takes you to the bill summaries authored by the Congressional Research Service. The Text tab is possibly the most important one. It takes you to the text of the bill itself in all of its versions. The various versions of the bill are displayed as text, but you can also request PDF and for some XML or HTML. This bill had 6 different versions. Use the pull-down menu to select the one you want. The enrolled bill is the one that has passed both houses, so this would be the bill that was actually presented to the President for a signature. The Actions tab takes you step by step through the legislative process. You can view just the major actions, all actions except amendments, and all actions. Both versions of actions include links to the congressional record where those actions take place, or at least are recorded. The Related Bill tab identifies companion measures, identical bills, procedurally related measures, or bills with text similarities. Bill relationships are identified by the House, the Senate, or the Congressional Research Service, and refer only to bills in the same Congress. A companion bill, when there is one, may have some of the important legislative history connected to it rather than the bill number that was enacted. So to be sure to check out the legislative history of a companion bill to be sure you haven't missed anything if you're searching an enacted law. Another good source of legislative history documents from the federal government is GovInfo from the U.S. Government Publishing Office, the GPO. There's a search box at the top where you can type in your search, or select Advanced Search if you want to limit your search by collection or field. Choose the Citation tab for the quickest route to a known document. For example, we can pull up the bills for the Omnibus Public Land Management Act of 2009 by selecting the Congressional Bills collection and then the Congress, then the bill type, and then by typing in the bill number, and then we'll get a pull-down menu that lets us select the version of the bill we want. A PDF of the bill will appear in a new browser tab if not blocked by your pop-up blocker. Browsing by category, we can see that legislative history materials are not all in a single category, but that bills and enacted laws can be found in the Bills and Statutes category, while hearings, reports, and committee prints will be in the Congressional Committee Materials category, and the Congressional Record and the History of Bills is found in the Proceedings of Congress and General Congressional Publications category. You can also access congressional hearings, committee prints, congressional reports, and congressional bills from each committee through the Committee tab. You can browse by committee within each category by Congress.